Take that boring breakfast away with these 10 stunning overnight oats. Breakfast, as the saying goes, is the most important meal of the day. But sometimes, the thought of another mundane bowl of cereal or a hastily consumed energy bar can leave you less than excited. Enter overnight oats, a breakfast revolution that's as delicious as it is convenient. These 10 stunning overnight oats recipes will not only brighten your mornings but also provide you with a wholesome and energizing start to your day. 1. Classic Cinnamon Roll Overnight Oats. Start with a classic that's anything but boring. Mix rolled oats with almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, a touch of vanilla extract, and a drizzle of honey. Let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, you'll have a bowl of creamy, comforting oats that taste just like a cinnamon roll. 2. Peanut Butter Banana Bliss. Take a ripe banana and mash it into your oats along with a spoonful of creamy peanut butter. Add a touch of honey, and you'll wake up to the rich, indulgent flavors of this peanut butter banana bliss. It's a sweet and savory combination that's hard to resist. 3. Berry Blast. For a burst of fruity goodness, layer rolled oats with a generous serving of mixed berries and some yogurt. This simple yet nutritious overnight oats recipe offers a symphony of flavors and a vibrant, refreshing start to your day. 4. Chocolate Coconut Crunch. If you have a sweet tooth but still want to eat a healthy breakfast, try this chocolate coconut crunch overnight oats recipe. Mix oats with cocoa powder, almond milk, and shredded coconut. In the morning, top it with sliced bananas and a drizzle of honey for a breakfast that's indulgent and satisfying. 5. Apple Pie in a Jar. For a taste of comfort and nostalgia, create an apple pie-inspired overnight oats concoction. Layer your oats with diced apples, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a touch of maple syrup. The result is a breakfast that tastes like dessert but is loaded with fiber and nutrients. 6. Chia Seed Pudding Parfait. Combine the best of both worlds by creating a chia seed pudding overnight oats parfait. In one layer, make a chia seed pudding by mixing chia seeds, almond milk, and a touch of vanilla. In the other, mix oats with your choice of fruit and yogurt. Layer them in a jar, and you've got a visually stunning and highly nutritious breakfast. 8. Pina Colada Pleasure. Who says you can't enjoy a tropical getaway at breakfast? Make overnight oats with a blend of oats, coconut milk, crushed pineapple, and shredded coconut. In the morning, you'll be transported to a tropical paradise without leaving your kitchen. 9. Matcha Green Tea Delight. For those who love the earthy taste of matcha, this overnight oats recipe is a dream come true. Mix rolled oats with almond milk and a touch of matcha green tea powder. In the morning, top it with fresh berries for a unique and delightful breakfast. 10. Savory Mediterranean Oats. Not all overnight oats have to be sweet. You can create a savory version by mixing oats with yogurt, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. Add some oregano and olive oil for a Mediterranean-inspired breakfast that's as refreshing as it is satisfying.